All right, it's recycling day again, and I just want to go over some things that can't be recycled.
All right, now these could be recycled, but they need to be washed first, or at least rinsed out. Like this, the recycling center isn't going to take this. And if there's a lot of stuff that can't be recycled, then it's going to get the whole bin discarded into the landfill instead of recycled. So this is trash. Right, so here we have someone's pizza box. And the problem with pizza boxes is you see the greasy spots. That makes this not recyclable. Okay. So again, this is something that could contaminate a whole bin and cause it not to be recycled. Also, the food scraps are not recyclable. Tissues, not recyclable. Okay. These little seasoning things, not recyclable. So this again could contaminate a whole bin. So this is trash. This one is mainly for the teachers. These copy paper things, they're coated in plastic on one side, so this is not going to be recyclable. All right, plastic bags like this. There may be some places that can recycle them, but our information from Republic Recycling is no plastic bags, so these are not recyclable. So here's a plastic bottle with a neck, which means the bottle is recyclable. But someone's gone and crammed some plastic wrap in there, and so this is now not recyclable because there's trash inside of it. So this is going to go to a landfill instead of a recycling center. All right, here we have a plastic bottle with a neck. This is recyclable according to Republic's paperwork, but it's got liquid in it. So the liquid does not go in the recycle bin for two reasons. One, if the paper in the recycle bin gets wet, it's not recyclable, okay? And secondly, that again, it could contaminate the whole bin. So it's really best to dump this out before putting it in the recycling. Or here's another example. This is a food container. All right, the food can't go in there. If the container is wet and got sauce and stuff on it, that's not going to get recycled either. And I'm honestly not even sure if the styrofoam can be recycled by our people. So with plastics, you're looking for that triangle number, and depending on what that number is, different places can recycle it. So you kind of have to look to see what can be recycled by your trash collection or waste management people. Here's another one. Okay, now this is recyclable. This is going to go in the recycling, but look at this. How much? If I put this in there, it's going to take up that much space, right? But watch this. All right, once I flatten it, it takes up so much less space. That's more recycling we can put in this bin. Even if for some reason you had to throw that box away, taking it down means that it takes up less room in the landfill. So you should always break down your boxes, whether they're being recycled or going in the trash. So another thing to think about is this was in a recycle bin. Now there is some plastic and stuff here, and certainly there's some copper that should be recycled. But a lot of times electronics have to go to a special recycling center.